Hi, this is Gohar Chaudhry from PaperClickFormula.com, and I just wanted to leave these comments about AM Khan and his AdWords ability. I've known AM Khan now for probably about a year and a half, and I have met him in person. I met him at my PaperClick Formula 2.0 seminar, and I was really impressed with his Google AdWords knowledge. In fact, I was so impressed I wanted to actually grab him and throw him up on my stage to actually talk to everybody about AdWords. That's how much this guy knows. So when it comes to any kind of AdWords services, I highly recommend AM Khan. I mean, you can see some of his phenomenal software, such as Ad Text Generator, which I highly recommend it to all my customers in order to really, beat the Google AdWords game and really get high click-through rates on your ads. His software is top-notch. His services for AdWords are even top-notch, and he's an all-around great guy. You go with him and his support, and you definitely can't lose. So I highly recommend AM Khan.